16 जुलै 2026 दिसा चौथ्या भव्य जगन्नाथ रथयात्रे खातीर मडगांव सज्ज झाला। गोंय सरकाराच्या कला आणि संस्कृती संचालनालयाच्या सहकार्यान इस्कॉन मडगांव आणि मडगांवच्या हरी मंदिराच्या सहकार्यान या आध्यात्मिक कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडटले। या संदर्भात उलयतना हरी मंदिराचे अध्यक्ष सुहास कामत हांणी सांगले, वर्सुकी रथयात्रा गोंयांत भक्ती, संस्कृताय, आध्यात्मिक पर्यटनाक चालना दिवपी एक खूप वाट पळोवपी आध्यात्मिक अशी कार्यावळ जाल्या। इस्कॉन मडगांवचो वांगडी हिज ग्रेस सुहर्द माधव प्रभून तरणाट्यांक भारताच्या सांस्कृतीक मुल्यांक कडेन मार्गदर्शन करपाचो हेतू आशिल्ल्या संस्थेच्या नेमान भगवद गीता आधारित आध्यात्मिक आणि शिक्षणीक कार्यावळीचेर भर दिलो।
हरे कृष्णा। So very warm welcome to all the press personals. We are very happy to see you. So this is a very ancient festival that happens in Jagannath Puri. So in there almost lakhs of people come there to pull the chariot of Lord Jagannath. And by the mercy of our founder Acharya, His Divine Grace Abhay Charanaranda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, this festival is celebrated all around the globe now. And we are very fortunate, like Manya, his respected Suhas Kamath Prabhuji told us, this has been our 4th grand festival. And our vision or our desire is that all over Goa or in Malwa we have many people coming. So last time it was almost 3,000 people who had come. So this time we are trying to reach out to as many as people. We have taken a target of almost 10,000 to 15,000 people coming and participating in this divine festival. So basically Jagannath is none other than Lord Shri Krishna. Balbhadra is none other than Lord Balram and their sister Subhadra and Sudarshan. So it's a very joyous festival. Like Sir said, people who are having no time, Lord Himself comes to give them darshan. And we'll be starting this festival on 16th. Okay, it is the Ashad month, Shukla Paksha Dvitiya. So we'll start, the Rath will start exactly at 5 p.m. from here. So we request everybody to be present here, and we are very honored to have our PWD Minister, Honorable Shri Digambar Kamatji, who will be flagging off the chariot. Along with him, the BJP President Daman Naik and Honorable MLA from Naveli, Ullas Goenka will be the dignitaries here.
Basically, this Jagannath Yatra will start sharp at 5 p.m. Flagged off by Honorable Minister. The route for the Jagannath Yatra will be, it starts from the new Hari Mandir, it passes through the new market, taking a curve towards the Mata Municipal Square. Thereafter, it takes the route through the post office, mobile hotel, and concluding at the Hari Mandir back to the bus. Very special thing for this Yatra will be that there will be a lot of youths who have participated up front, and there will be live kirtan of Vrindavan and Kartar, adding to the beauty and the vibrations of the entire thing. This is one of the beautiful festivals wherein the Lord Himself steps out of the temple sanctuary and comes in with darshans to its devotees, to all, because He is Jagannath, He is Shri Krishna, He is the Lord of the universe. The Bhagwan, He doesn't see anybody that I am yours and I am not yours, but He is the Lord of everyone.
या उत्सवात भक्ती गायन, जप, सांस्कृतिक सादरीकरण, प्रसाद हांचो आस्पाव आसतलो। आयोजकांनी गोंयभरांतल्या भक्तांक आनी भोंवडेकारांक ह्या भव्य आध्यात्मिक उत्सवात वांटो घेवपाक आनी जगन्नाथाचे आशीर्वाद घेवपाक आपयल्यात।
तुमकां सगळ्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार। 16 तारखेक जुलायचे आमी आमचे चवथो रथ यात्रा मडगांवांत आसतले आनी हरी मंदिरांतल्यान एक्झॅक्टली 5 वरांक आमचे जे रथ आसले सुट्टले। आमचे मुखेल जे मोगाचे आमदार मडगांवचे दिगंबर कामत बाब आसतले रथ स्टार्टींग फ्लॅग ऑफ करपाक। आमचे जे रथ आसते हरी मंदिरांतल्यान पूर्ण मडगांव सिटी भोंवून परतून हरी मंदिरा येतले आनी आमचे एकूच तुमकां निवेदन की तुमी सगळे येयात, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा मैयाचे दर्शन घेयात, रथ ओडात, आपले जीवन एकदम कुशलमय करात आणि महाप्रसाद कीर्तनात नाचात। ओके, आणि सगळ्यांक म्हणटा आनी एकदा 16 तारखेक 5 वर्सां हरी मंदिरा उपस्थित जायात आणि हे भव्य फेस्टिवलान सहभाग जायात। हरे कृष्ण।